This 2022 Winnebago Voyage is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 27 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 2, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, microwave, oven, leveling jacks, TV, LP detector, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Winnebago Voyage is 6,460 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.